Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar on a quick overview of the live chat software. My name is Dennis from the Vision Helpdesk team and I'll be providing you with a quick walkthrough today of the live chat software. So to begin with, we have recently launched our live chat software, that's Vision Helpdesk live chat software. And this live chat software has some features like it's browser based, so it can be accessed from any browser, let it be from your mobile, from your tab, or from your computer. Okay, it can be accessed across different browsers. It is lightweight, and it is also on the base of the help desk. So it comes pre-integrated along with Vision Help Desk. Okay. Along with this, we also offer the live chat software in both the platforms, which is the SaaS as well as the download version. Okay. Feature-wise, it will be the same, and what would differ would just be the location where you would install this live chat software. So let's go ahead and take a look at how the live chat software looks. So here I am logging in as a staff member. So the first step after you log in would be to go to the admin settings and to enable the live chat module. So I've come to the live chat module over here and let me enable this. So once I've enabled this, I can check the settings available under live chat. So here there are some settings like if I want the attachment option to be visible for the staff or for the client, if I want to enable the rating option wherein my client can rate the performance of my staff or the support they received on the live chat by a particular staff. There are also options where you can enable the privacy policy or the GDPR policy. Then when I go back to settings and I scroll down, there are some more options over here of the live chat. So we have the chat widget available over here. So you can have a chat widget created and that can be placed on your website. So you can define the details for this widget, like its title, and maybe other details like a display picture. And there's also a live chat code which generates at the bottom of this widget. You can just select and copy it from here. And then you can paste it in the code of your website. So this chat widget displays on your website. Now I have already done this for you, and let me show you how it looks. So see here on the top right hand, on the bottom right hand corner, we have the option of the widget. So, and also it has a message on the left hand side. So you can have different messages customized for different web pages. Okay. Then we also have the PreChat custom fields. So you can have different kinds of custom fields added for gathering information from your customers. So I have some custom fields added over here, like I have the name, I have email address and the question added. And these would be seen on the, it will be seen over here on the client portal. So when the client comes over here and he clicks on the chat widget, he would see the different options available over here, like the department, and he can also add his name, he can add his email address over here, he can type in his question over here and initiate a chat directly from here. Okay, so over here we have departments, and these departments can be configured. So you can define which departments access you want to allow for the live chat, and that can be done from the options over here. So I'll go under the admin settings and under department, and over here I have the option for the live chat access. So only those departments which have the access marked as yes would be visible on your website for the client to select from. Other than this, you also need to enable the live chat access for your staff member. So as I go into the admin settings and I go under staff, there's an option of access. So if I open a particular staff and I go under access, there would be the option to enable a live chat agent. So this can be enabled from here directly. And once a live chat is enabled, then it would be visible over here on top. And all the options for live chat would be visible. So now let me show you how a live chat can be initiated by a client and how a staff would get and respond back to it. So now on the website, I have selected a department, I have added my name, email address, and question. Let's say I need a live chat software. I have checkmarked the privacy policy option and clicked on submit. So once I have done this, a live chat is initiated and you can hear it ring over here. So let me just check this. I'll just accept the chat over here. So I see that one of my colleagues has already joined this chat. So I can just join this chat directly from here, or I can join invisibly. So let me just join it from here. So once I join this chat, there's an option over here wherein a predefined message comes in. I can enter this. And if I see on the client side, the client can see this option over here. So the client can type in his message. And the staff can communicate back accordingly. So I'll just ask in some questions over here to the client to show you how it appears. So I'll just type in that how many staff would be using this. And you can just see the client can answer back. So this is all being typed in real time over here. Okay. And on the client side, there would be an option over here to add an attachment. So attachment can be added directly from here, and we support most of the type of the attachments. Also, there's an option to rate the chat, wherein the client can rate the support being offered by this particular staff member to him, and also to end the chat. And from the staff side, there'll be some more options. Like there'll be an option for knowledge base over here. So there'll be an option where the knowledge base articles can be entered directly into a response and be sent to a customer. So there'll be predefined responses as well in that. There will also be attachment option wherein the staff can attach a file and send it to the customer. And there are some more options over here wherein the chat can be forwarded to another staff member. You can invite another staff member to join this chat, and there's an option to ask for rating. So a staff can also ask a rating from the client directly from here. So the rating request is sent, and if I see on the client side, you can see this option has come to rate this chat. So the client can directly rate the chat from here, which would in turn be seen for the staff member, like rating received. And the visitor details can be seen over here. So details of the visitor, like from which country he has come in, or from which web page he has visited, his IP address, and other details would all be stored up over here for your reference. And also the chat history. So if this client had visited you in the past and he had some chat communication, all of those can also be checked out over here directly. Now, there's also an option wherein the staff can close a chat. So when a staff closes or ends a chat, he gets the option to add the subject, change the status of the ticket which will be created once this chat is closed, and he can also create a new ticket, or he can append this to an existing ticket. So let's say if I want to append this conversation to an existing ticket of the customer, I can just select the required ticket and click on append post. So this would be appended, and I can just click on this ticket hash and open this ticket, and I can check the entire conversation within this. Okay, so it shows me the entire conversation and also the previous conversations which this particular client had with my staff members. Okay, so this is one part. The staff member can also define if he wants to be online or offline in the chat status. So there's a live chat status over here wherein the staff can define if he's available, if he's busy, he's away, or offline. Then also there's an option over here of the activity board for the live chat. So over here you get to see all the activities of the live chat, like you get to see all the online visitors. So you get to see a list of all the online visitors over here, and clicking on any of the visitor will give you complete detail about that visitor. Like for how long he has been active on your site, on which web page he's accessing right now, or from which country is he visiting you. All these details would be visible over here. Other than this, you also get to see the other ongoing chats over here on the left hand side. Then on the right hand side, there is an option of filters. So you can filter these online visitors on the basis of different countries or the different browsers, or on those who are active or inactive on the chat. Also, there's an option of views, using which you can define which columns you want to display over here in this online visitor list. We also have the visitors map option available. So over here you get to see from which particular area or which particular country you have visitors coming in. We also have the live chat dashboard and the day report option available. Now these two options are only for your admin users. Okay, under a live chat dashboard, your admin would be able to see the list of visitors, the ongoing chats, and the online staff members. And also we have the option for the day report. Now over here, you get a day report on different things like the visitors who visited you for a particular day, or the staff-wise availability for the day, or the department-wise availability, okay, or how many chats have been accepted by particular staff members. And this can again be searched for a particular day from this calendar option over here, okay. Other than this, we also have additional reports available. So we have the reports option, and over here we have both statistical as well as the graphical reports available. So we have a few reports available for the statistical option over here. Like we have reports for staff-wise chat report, then based on different visitors or client-wise chat report. And we also have reports in the graphical format. So let's say, for example, if I want a report to see how many chats have come in for a particular department, so I can just select this department-wise chat report. I can select the duration over here. Let's say I'll take last 30 days. I'll select all the departments and generate this. So I get to see that the sales department, billing department, support department, and general department, how many chat they have received in this past 30 days. So I see sales have received 12 chats and support have completed 9 chats, and accordingly. Okay, we can also export this report from here directly. Then going back to the settings, we also have some more settings available for live chat, wherein we can define different message templates. So this can be different message templates which you want to display on different web pages of your website. We also have two other options, which are chat automation, using which you can completely automate the live chat software, and the chat round robin, using which you can have the round robin assignment of live chats to all your staff members. Now, both these options we shall be covering up in our upcoming webinars. Okay, so this was all about today's session. I've given you a quick overview of the live chat software. You can now type in your questions into the chat box. Okay, so I have one question coming in from Momina over here, and she has asked, is there any way I can restrict my live chat script to run on specific domains only? So to answer you here, Momina, yes, we have this option available. Let me quickly show this to you. So I'll go to the admin settings and I'll go under module and the live chat. And here, as we scroll to the bottom, we have the option of a trusted domain list. So only those domains which you add over here in this trusted domain list, on those the live chat can be added, the live chat widget. So you can also have multiple domains added over here, and they can be comma separated. Okay, we have a second question over here from Jason, and he has asked, I want my customers to start chat directly, and I do not want the form. Okay, so yes, Jason, that is possible. You can just disable the pre-chat form. Okay, I'll show you how it can be done. So we'll just go back to the admin settings, and as we scroll down, and we have the chat widget over here. So I'll open the chat widget, and as I scroll down in the chat widget, there's a pre-chat form over here. So I can just disable this option. So once I disable this, once a client clicks on the widget, a chat would begin directly. Okay, so I see a question from Momina over here, where she has asked, as you mentioned, you are creating a ticket for each chat. How can I communicate further to that customer? So I'll just show you where all the chats are stored. So over here we have the option of all chats, under which we can check the recent chats over here. So I'll just open one of this ticket which is created. And on this, your staff has the option to reply back. So they can reply back to this ticket, and they can use the reply option, and it would form as a trail to the same ticket. So the conversation stays on the same ticket. So they can just respond back to this ticket, which would go as an email to the customer. And when the customer replies back to the email, it will come back as a thread to the same ticket. And also, Momina has asked that can I send a chat transcript to the customer after chat? So yes, this is also possible when the customer ends a chat, or when you're ending the chat for a customer. There's an option of send email, which can be checked, and the chat transcript would be emailed to the customer. You all can let me know if you all have any further questions. Else, I can end this session. So I see there are no further questions, so I'll go ahead and end this webinar. If you all have any queries in regards to the live chat, you all can contact us on our website. So we have the live chat available on our website. You can contact us from there. We are also available on Skype. So our Skype ID is vision.helpdesk. And you can also drop in an email to us on sales@visionhelpdesk.com. Also, I would suggest you that you go ahead and uh, sign up for a free trial of the live chat software. So this would be a 30 days free trial of the live chat software, which is available for both the SaaS as well as the download version. Okay, and this all the features would be enabled for you, so you can check out the complete live chat software for yourself. So the next webinar would be in on next Thursday, and we would email you the details regarding the same. So have a good time, all of you all. Goodbye.